As a man, if your perfume does not cost at least 15k, you'll be Okada man.
Hey God.
Like,
for waiting. How many Okada men go fit come 15k say they even think perfume?
Waiting be that news when you don't hear for the last couple of hours when you just feel the news saying waiting they really occur for this country self. No, we talking about that. Wait be that news.
Okay, well, as at yesterday when we did last get how far we see say bank stocks say they don't prepare a loan facility of about 3.5 trillion naira for petroleum marketers to fit access. So one of the bank managers talk say as at last week he get request of 250 billion naira loan from one of the marketers.
Oh yeah, that's the petroleum marketers.
Petroleum marketers.
To buy from Dangote
to import fuel. So I go ask question. I say okay, this one where they ask for loan to fit import fuel. What it come mean now? The price of fuel go up. It go affect the price of fuel. The fuel go dey more available, or it go dey a bit cheaper. It go come down. This is waiting than the request for. But that's not one of the major things that we talk about yesterday.
But for that, I don't really see that as a big deal because most major businesses you see across the world, they survive on loans.
I can't think they talk. But then again, hold on, the bank manager talk say they don't request for this thing for a long time, but they know they give because they say anytime they give all these petroleum marketers loan, they end up very badly. So they say now when they see say the request on they come and then heavily now let's do this now. Now the cocoa of the
because whether the bank like or not, they will make money because there's certain percentage. I think our what will be our interest rate right now? Is it 27%? I think around that amount. So any money when you borrow right now, you already pay that arrangement back.
But the only thing on the lighter side, I say 250 billion loan. I say okay, how much they want spread down? How much the person could they pay every month? That's on the lighter side, the lighter side. I say okay, even 250k loans. From the top of person don't they calculate the interest on top.
Anybody when already borrow money go already pay back. Whether na 1 year, most time, especially loans for Nigeria, it gets certain stipulated. I'm not sure say it did that very long like those other international loans. It is always a short.
Every loan
gets short, but it gets a very
every loan gets a payback timeline where you will need to follow. If not, the interest go.
Everybody they borrow. If petroleum market I want borrow, may they borrow. I beg that one not concern. Now their personal business when they are making their profit off us. How are they going to share the money with us? You get me? Now you say make fuel just share day. May I see fuel buy? May the price if fine way to reduce. You get me? Now why they happy? I'm not really they happy because their clash of interest just find a balance that's between Dangote and the oil marketers overnight. See they don't resolve the one they collect fuel directly
from
diesel and AGO from
Dangote. Okay.
When they call us they now say when that price go reduce, they say maybe. So now you reach time to talk about price. After all, they don't shall see the fight for Nigeria. You don't turn out to possibility. But we are all here waiting for them to see how it will turn out to be. Anyway, briefly before I come up today, you get this matter when the potpourri right now on top
social media.
Social media, yes. So it's about how nowadays children or nowadays parents go get 4 children because one of the sons say, "I don't like eating this. I want to eat this." They'll cook different food for their 4 children or their 2 children, depending. So many people come and say, what did they really happen to parenting these days? Are we losing our touch? Because I know will I give you, in as much as I want the best for my children. Hello, anything will cook, all of us will chop one.
Before
you get now. Thank you to my son. My son be like me, they chop anything. If you give a corn when he will born, once you chop one, yummy.
Really? Yes, you go chop him.
He eat anything.
Well, it trust say since that they don't chop him, you know,
yes,
anything.
So now,
okay.
Now my son be that.
But your daughter no.
My daughter they a little bit picky.
Selective.
But that picky, he not get choice again. The best if you do, I don't want to eat what you are eating. Now what the food they wait for you. When hunger wire and I will come, mommy, I'm hungry. Go and take your own. Go and take your own food. And if you notice the way all of us grow up, actually, I think this is where the problem is coming from because us trying to be careful not to make the same mistake our parents. Well, if our parents make us, we don't they damage our children. We don't make them worse off.
No balance.
Yes, us trying to be more sensitive towards our children. Oh, I don't want to make them feel the type of way, the way my parents treated me. You know, not saying I make you be a better person. I don't know if you get me. So we are not being too careful with the children of nowadays, we they let them misbehave in the sense say we they let them do things when they're not supposed to they do. You get me? I don't want to eat this. I don't want. Now, if you can afford it, you are a big man. You want to cook 10 soup for your 10 children. Hello, do it. But not be when you dey try
to raise them.
You get me? Because at the end of the day, the end point of being an adult for that pikin go, you not go funny.
Not go funny because you see now. What I want to talk, I understand the aspect of okay, I don't want to raise my children the way my parents raised me. Now a bit of both. You know, our parents be extremists.
No.
They discipline you. No, make I finish. Make I finish now. Make I land. I allow you land. Make I land. When I say extremists, that I say if they won't beat you, they won't bust not to the. So I believe same moment. Oh, I suffer like this. I don't want make my children suffer like that, which is not bad, but at the end of the day, they don't overdo them in the sense that if your pikin say I want this one, you go give your pikin. If my pikin want this one, you did damage your pikin.
Even when you mess up,
you not be correct time. You did damage your pikin because that pikin no go pikin for go be pikin forever. You go grow up, and then go now day you go can't see the mistakes where you don't make. Unfortunately, it go day too late to start to the correct.
And I think we're already getting that bad because you just see all these teenagers these days. I can't play this. I don't like the way I'm being treated. I'll be like, what happen? You say one person you're talking to, no, man, you don't cry. You know what? No, don't tell them, are you okay? And I think this is also Western mentality that has really messed up our mind. Oh, you can't tell people the truth these days. Oh, you will hurt their feelings. You will do this to them. You will do that to them. They will feel bad. I think somehow in a way, it don't make us shy away from saying what is needed to be said at the right time because you they try make this person not feel bad. I don't know if you get. You don't mess us up. So these days we get fragile people. We don't make a lot of people they very fragile. Even when you tell them say good money but not good money, then they cry up and down. I don't know if you can. I'm just giving
they don't raise spoiled brats now.
Yeah, because they don't it's not sensitive.
Yes, unnecessarily sensitive. Yeah. You know, you get as you go drag bikin. Look at me. What did I say? I'm not smiling. You do it again. I get a lot of godchildren. So I go talk one, I go talk two, I go talk three, I go tell them the fourth time I no go talk. I go discipline you. Now one of my godson, he don't grow finish. He talk one time, he say, anytime Auntie Joy says naughty corner, I don't like it. You don't like naughty corner. That I say I go ground you for 1 hour.
No, go stay one place.
Stay one place. I not go say face the wall. No. Stay one place. Just stay there. You want chop? No problem. Go chop. When you finish your chop, come back. You know, so those kind of things they make them say. Once I talk the third one, I said fourth one, I no go talk. They no say they don't serious. Yeah. So now you go imbibe that discipline for inside your pikin. I agree. Say okay, you don't want the kind of verbal abuse where you enjoy. You don't want, but it still no stop you from disciplining your children, raising them properly. I don't talk money. Say all my children, boys and girls, when I go enter kitchen, you go enter kitchen, you go wash plate, you go cook, you go learn to cook. You know, I don't go train my boys with the mindset of cooking a girl's job. No, you be man, you go cook because you go marry.
Yeah, I think that's one of the right choice any parents will do. Like we need to train the true gender.
Train them the same way.
Now, I'm not gonna lie. I understand where some parents go say, "Oh, I don't want to raise my children the way I was raised." But in trying to do that, not cause more harm, not cause more disadvantage. You still need a limit to how far you feel go with that.
Now, you need
to balance them.
Now the balance they miss out on because you know, like I give an example. Now be only picking for like 3 years. Yeah. And then as per only picking now, what do you want? Do you want this?
With your godson?
No, with my parents.
Okay.
Do you want this? Yes, this one. So they can't notice till now even as an adult, if I know they too like swallow, unless I feel like say I want chop them. So they
because they don't use that.
Anytime they cook rice, I go chop. This one I go chop. When they reach swallow, I know they take me forever. So one day my papa just carry in belt, just put them close to the food.
So you must chop on.
He goes sit there, he not talk anything. He drop in belt near the food. So at that time I just don't say if I no chop this food, I go collect belt, and I no want belt. So I chop the food. That's why I started to chop any about anything. Now I be adult. Like anything I want chop, now I go chop. But if to say they continue with that, anything what I want, I for be another thing.
If I don't scatter.
I won't scatter now. And sorry, girl, and sometimes that's when they give that your child anything they want. At the time when you know if you give them,
it will become problem.
Now so they go out, come they do all this. Now then you say all this sugar, that all these things. Now so they take coming.
Now what you need to put a limit to her. No, and nobody they say, oh no, give your pikin if you give her. But at the end of the day, don't forget this pikin not go be pikin forever. It go become adult.
Yeah.
So and anything when you train and the way you train and then you go end up to the behave like Agbaya later on or not. Anyway, quick last, just the last one. Somebody talks, say we just get people for social media these days, or you just wake up one morning or in the name of class, they'll talk some sentences when they themselves not believing. One guy say, as a man, if your perfume does not cost at least 15K, you'll be Okada man.
Hey God.
If you check, if you check this guy papa now, if you are sorry to say, no offense, but I'm not sorry. If you check this guy papa and brother now, they're not you afford this 15K. First of all,
wetin dey happen with everybody wey go dey say if your this will never reach this one.
You are not this.
Why? Even this actress Rachel, she say if your wig no cost over $1 million, then I beg the boy where you dey with make you leave him.
You see, so those people, they know, say, may I tell you the truth, not class, but at the same time, now their level of thinking, where if you reach, now it just be that. They are thinking not past that particular arrangement. Then your past like that, you not go blame them. Now why don't they blame them really? For me, I just feel really, if I can afford 8K perfume, when it smell nice, I make me smell nice. Why not? Why should we say I be Okada man?
For waiting. How many Okada men go fit come 15K say they even think perfume?
I know if some Okada people even get house. Your power when they work office motor when if you afford 15, they don't get house. They still become tenant. Like it's all not this thing we talk about. All these Gen when they not train up well, when their head not stable, when they demand and they wake up in the morning they tweet all this kind of arrangement.
That's why I enter shops. This matter of I enter shop. So I won't buy perf. So they go through them. I don't know what enter the mind of this sales girl. Yeah. Now the high ones, now she carry me.
You be Lady Jane.
Now I can say, why you carry me come here? She say, the way she just look, she believes say, I feel afford that. Now I can say, the only reason why I go buy this person, I say, as I dey spray make money just they enter. As I dey spray make money they enter. Now what you go happen? She say, no. I say, so no carry me come here.
I must be the person.
That guy 200K upwards. I beg go. I wait to happen now. I say no problem. I feel I buy on one condition. So as I just spray one, I go just see alert. I spray this one, another alert. As I they come out, as I they come out like this, anything I go just they attract them one by one.
Nollywood. I mean, my brother, my sister, don't let anybody pressure you. Anything you can afford. See, nothing like fake clothes. Not just quality. Not quality. Nothing like fake clothes. Clothes not clothes. You get me. Don't let anybody tell you if you are not wearing clothes not more than 150K, 200K, you are dressing like a madman. Make the person get that. You get me.
If you buy it for me, I go wear now.
Those ones, they afford to buy.
If you buy it for me, I go wear.
Because they privilege now, they are property Nigerian money that year. Now make the people they make
150 for one cloth.
200K for only one polo.
As it is now, say 50K. Now they do some pricing 50K. One cloth. Back then, I feel buy 4-5 dresses with that 50K. Fine clothes.
Nah, you don't try them.
I don't try them now. Not try them.
Evil. What did they call that one? With the ready to wear.
Ready made.
I think ready to wear. I say an average ready to made now like 60K, 70K. What did they say 10K, 15K?
This suit I wear, I buy them 15,000.
Now suits with this.
No dress.
Okay, 15K. No. You be economist now. The number.
Yes, they do. Now I know if you try them now. No, if you price the same clothes.
You know if you try.
We go that kind 40, 45K, 50K now.
Certainly. That's the baby step economy we are in, though.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.